Hello and welcome to our booth at 2023 Taipei Machine Tool Show. In the next 4 minutes we would like to show you the features of our machine. Enjoy it! The process begins with architect's design. They often use Tekla designer to design the structure backbone, the H-beam. Each beam was given a unique code. When you combine all of the code together, Tekla will generate the BOM. Then you can transfer those data from your smartphone to the controller. Just few clicks, the machine is ready for its work. Next step is to place the beam on feeding racks and begin the machining. The racks will travel to extreme position where the robotic arm is. Once the beam is in position, the arm will lower down to grab the beam and begin to push it forward toward the machine. When the beam reaches its 0 point, the left and right spindle will move toward the beam and clamp it. 2 bars will move from top spindle at the same time, also move toward the beam to lock it down. Then the 3 axis spindles will begin to drill holes on 3 sides of the beam. The spindle can travel short distance in order to drill unparalleled holes on both sides. During the drilling there is a graphic display of the beam drawing on control screen, which is synchronized with the drilling cycle. We thank you for spending time to watch our video. Wish you a happy day. Bye.